that we are now ready to move from a centralized to a hybrid model. Basically means it's 50-50. You have a commitment to us, and then we also have a commitment to you. Leadership said, let them go, but teach them. Teach them, guide them how to do it. So that when you go back to work after this session, perhaps you will remember as you were going through the PIA or as you were designing your projects, you'll remember, yun yung game na pinatalon kami from side to side. Or, yun yung game yung nagtulakan kami sa table kasi kumuha ako ng gamit sa likod. Which is like...
Kamusta ka na?
Being honest, read out those items.
Just remote agents na. Mark all of them.
So,
Game and PC, dapat
kung sino nagsusulatan ay kasi go!
Okay guys, tag-isa yan ha. Tag-isa. Meron... Yeah.
Kumain.
Power! Cheat!
Oy! Oy!
Wala pa!
True or false? Go! Sure na, sure na.
For this morning, ang pinaka-appreciate at gusto ko is that mas naging relatable si Pia. Mas naiintindihan namin in our daily lives that we can help the organization protect our customers' privacy. No? And with the steps na pinakita dito, even without creating a Pia, mas magiging mindful yung mga tao. So, ayun, relatable na siya ngayon, so mas madali na siyang even not drafting, pagka nagpag-usap pa lang with the business. Parang kumbaga, by design, pag nagpag-usap kami, naiisip na kagad namin yung considerations. Nagawa yun naman ito, so thank you.
Medyo pag sinabi kasi sa amin na data privacy, ito na naman po. Hindi na naman po. Kakabahan na naman kami kasi parang lahat ng mga nakakatakot siya. Yun yung unang sinasabi. Nakakatakot siya in a way na feeling mo may kasalanan ka talaga doon sa ano. Pero ayoko nang mag-PIA. Huwag na natin to ituloy. Pero because of this training, mas na-emphasize kung ano ba yung objective, ano yung purpose, and then we also feel secured kasi yung data na pinoprocess namin tama ba or mali. Kailangan ba namin siyang i-collect or nag-overshare ba kami? Yung mga ganon. Yun lang po. Thank you.
To accept PIA with an open mind, because before, whenever we're creating new products, usually PIA talaga yung kinakatakutan among the product managers. Usually is the last step na ginagawa namin because we feel like it's more of a compliance rather than understanding the risks of the service that we're going to launch, and of course protecting ourselves and the company as well. So in this session, it made me realize how important and how easy it is also to fill up and accomplish PIA. So thank you for this session.
Perfect.